Rio Industrial Group is a tool manufacturer, so it has companies in supply chain logistics, and it does tool manufacturing for our customers. Well, Rio has 13 subsidiaries, 5 international, 8 local. We use 8 currencies, and we have between 150 and 200 employees. Before NetSuite, the company was running custom-built software at each of the subsidiaries, and each of the subsidiaries had their own servers. The maintenance on the servers need to be managed on-site. It was not a virtual server, and each of the databases needed to be upgraded. Rio chose NetSuite because it was easy, scalable, and it was cost-effective and easily customizable. But we're using it as a single point of data. We're using it for manufacturing, and we're using it for supply chain and sourcing. Since we've implemented NetSuite, business has significantly grown. Whenever we acquire a business or we need to grow, enabling new users and training them, we use LCS as a company pass for training, which enables us to reduce the training costs and increase the productivity. It's much easier because I can just send them an email, I can log in from their computer, and I can show them how to use the interactive courses. With LCS Pass, my job and my life has been made easier by reducing the number of days that I've been training users.